Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Nuer-English. We are going to learn this word together. The meaning of horizontal. Horizontal means kermishiro shat. Kermishiro shat. Like this one. Horizontal. Vertical. Kermishiro chung. Vertical. Like this. Vertical line. Chala kermishiro chung. Line. Care. Okay. Any line. Okay. Any line. Drawn. Ture micha turketit. Drawn. Draw. Ture. Globe. Wishmon and will. Map. Ture wishmon and chalas kawarga. Map. Ture wishmon and chalas kawarga. You need to, repeat this word in order for you to understand them. Okay, let's meet on the next lesson. Bye-bye. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn these 5 English words. We are going to translate them. Let's start it with crate. Crate is chuck door. Chuck door. Chuck door. Build. Lanidor. Build. Lanidor. Improve. Improved. Shome. Or you can say realieka. Shome or realieka. Focus. Focus. Gwishnikel. Gwishnikel. Focus. Achieve. Mengwa enshi. Jek relat. Mengwa enshi jek relat. Gwata me mengo diri ngach. Alam shali krede. Lorno jin shak door. She shak chit kakaj. Mi shak door like I you know. Come up with something new. Ke berka mijidit. Li you know shak door shali create. Build guatemel jonji leni door, like do something leni door. Build and chere ke create boni, build a leni door. Improve guateme jonji shome ke realeka ko bi shoma gwa ba gujino magwa shali improved. Focus malo no gwisnikel ke sharo atikekel. Focus on something. Focus do ke sharbe te ke mon shale focus. Achieve me men gwa enti jekre lat. And men chi achieve ke men chi jekre ke men chi lat shala achieve. No mite mi chi lat magwa re ladamo bete mu gwa me bijekten shala di shala achieve. Bana je ka another listen. Welcome back again. Welcome to Easy Nuer-English. Today we are going to learn these words. We are going to translate them into Nuer language. Let us start with teacher. Teacher is ngich. The meaning of teacher is ngich. Teacher ngich. The meaning of doctor. Doctor is Kim. Doctor Kim. The meaning of boss. Quer. The meaning of customer. Cook. The meaning of neighbor. Jitieka. The meaning of gas. Jal ki de control no jal. Yomi chakul me kel der kulela jal. Okay. Let's talk about them. Teacher melode ni ngich chale ngich ka Thok Nath. Teacher mean ngich. Doctor chale kim ne de konto kawal dulwal chale ke kim ne. Me doctor e kim ko ram kel mu wande chale kim ne. Melod boss gwadum lo no quer, ram dan tuina chale quer. Melod customer gwadum no cook. Na ram mala yo client ke customer chale cook ke ram dala mala be ke jeka blok chale customer. Neighbor me ke jithie ke do ne konen tiek yen tin tiek dor kun chale ke neighbor. Guest gwadum lo ne jal. Mutual guesses there lune jal. Kujamo there go listen mako dian nyakane kokien, and please do not forget to follow for more. Banyo je kan another listen. We take a man. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn this word in Nuer language. The meaning of sun. Sun is cheng. Sun, sheng. The meaning of star. Star is quell, quell. Star, quell. The meaning of cloud. Cloud is puar, puar. The meaning of snow. Snow, pew tishiro cap. Pew tishiro cap, snow. The meaning of wind. Wind is jom. Jom. The meaning of wind is jom. The meaning of lightning. Lightning. Rengnial. Rengnial, or you can say marnial. Rengnial or marnial. The meaning of ash. Ash. Pew tishiro cap. Pew tishiro cap, ash. The meaning of river. River, kir or year. River, kir. The meaning of ocean. Ocean, babdit. 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 Ocean, babdit. The meaning of beach. Beach is liet. Liet. The meaning of beach, liet. Liet. Here, guas memo kono ekalodian. Lama shale sun. Alu ne chang. Ne me chang te tana la ja confused chol ken no e chang. Ja chole chang chole chang. Chang. The meaning of sun is chang. Chole chang. Malut star. Star e quell. Chole quell ka Thok Nath. In Nuer language quell. Do know me mungwan ke de chole quelli. Do know ko kel ba chole star. Icha mo kel der we ka quelli. Star malut e quell. Cloud. Cloud ka puar. Chole puar na mone. Si ka puar. Chole puar. Puar ngwan ke do know me chole puar. No, chole cloud. Malut snow. Snow jen lor ne pew to shirodian calf. La pew to sharen calf. You know. Chirken ka ash. Ke pew to sharen calf ba chole de. Ba chole snow. Malut wind. Wind guasme malude. Lor ne jom. La wind. Jom dana put chole wind. Malut lightning. Lightning. Lightning malude rengnial. Ke de kono chole no. Ya. Micha rang. Ke marnial bone de kono chole. Lightning. Lightning rengnial. Ash. Malut ash guasme. Ken ke pew to chirodian cap. Shirken ke men chikona jingnial guasme chole snow. Pew to chiro cap. Ash ke pew to chiro cap. River. Jen shire kir. Kir de kono chole boy year bone. River. Kir ke year. Ocean. Ocean guasme lur ne babdit. Babdit. Babdit cause sidira mala lwank. Udong de kan walk chole babdit. Mrodian me beach. Beach lur ne liet. Liet. Ngay kon liet. La guadra antika liet. Liet chole. Do kon chole sen. Katuk English. Katuk no de chole liet. Do no katuk koine ko liet medin mangar natin. Na la kon we ware liet. So no mo chole de. Chole beach. Ki chole liet. No. And a banajik. No ka neglisan. Welcome to Easy Nuer language. Today we are going to learn this word. The meaning of calf is dough. Dough. The meaning of calf again. Call. Call. The meaning of coal. Shawl. Shawl. The meaning of collar. Collar. Shoot. Shoot. The meaning of camel. The meaning of camel is tarol. Tarol. The meaning of canal. Canal. Lol. Lol. The meaning of canal. Lol. The meaning of cancer. Cancer is leer. Leer. The meaning of cane. Yacht. Yacht. The meaning of canintos. Cup. Cup. The meaning of car. Car. Turbil. Turbil. The meaning of car is turbil. Guasame chan lodian ko ngaja gwa ko gorjeno bana ngak lodian. Ala kalfa me mishala kalfa jen lo na do ala do yang. Just kit ka do yang. Kalfa lura nungu lura na kwal ala kwal kwal jen do yang. Just read kelo mone. Coal mi chaw coal guasame lura ne shawl mi shawl ran chala coal le la no coal. Collar Ramadan and shoot. Shoot. Chala collar shoot. Shoot Ramadan and shawl ran chala shoot. Lord ka camel. The meaning of camel is tarol. Tarol ngai kone. Tarol. Lord ka mishal ka canal and luna lol. Ala lol year. chale lol chale canal lot ka cancer guatame cancer jen lot ne lir lot ka cane me chere dwech ke yot am dwai karan chale cane yacht kon chale yacht lot ka kanin to same lot kana kap me che correct de harder to guatame lot that andar lot na kap la cabbage lot ka car lot ne turbil no turbil lot ne car they you're gonna please follow for more manager can another listen yeah take mal. Welcome to easy Nuer language.